You reach for a bottle of water, clear and crisp. It's convenient, refreshing, and readily available. But have you ever stopped to wonder, is this water truly safe to drink? Millions of people rely on bottled water daily, but concerns linger about potential health risks associated with chemicals leaching from plastic bottles into the water. There's no denying the convenience bottled water offers. It's portable, readily available in stores, gyms, and vending machines, and often seen as a healthier alternative to sugary drinks. For travelers, especially in regions where tap water quality is questionable, bottled water provides a safe and reliable hydration source. It's also essential during natural disasters when access to clean water is compromised. However, the convenience of bottled water comes at a cost. The environmental impact of plastic bottle production and disposal is a significant concern. One of the primary concerns with bottled water is the potential for chemicals to leach from the plastic into the water, especially when bottles are exposed to heat or sunlight. This is a common scenario as many people leave their water bottles in cars or take them outdoors where they can be subjected to high temperatures. The heat can cause the plastic to break down and release harmful substances into the water we drink. Studies have shown that certain chemicals, such as bisphenol A or BPA, can migrate from polycarbonate plastics into water. BPA is widely used in the production of various plastic products, including water bottles, and its presence in our drinking water is a significant concern. BPA is an endocrine disruptor, meaning it can interfere with the body's hormones. This interference can lead to a variety of health issues, including reproductive problems, developmental issues in children, and an increased risk of certain cancers. While many manufacturers have phased out BPA in water bottles, other potentially harmful chemicals may still be present. These chemicals can also leach into the water, especially under conditions of heat and sunlight, posing similar health risks. More research is needed to fully understand the long-term health effects of these chemicals. Scientists are continually studying the impact of these substances on human health, but it is clear that caution is warranted when it comes to the use of plastic water bottles. Consumers should be aware of the potential risks and consider alternatives, such as stainless steel or glass bottles, to reduce their exposure to these harmful chemicals. Section 4. Unpacking the plastics, PET versus BPA. Not all plastics are created equal. Polyethylene terephthalate, often labeled as PET or PET, is the most common type of plastic used for single-use water bottles. PET is considered relatively safe and does not contain BPA. However, it's crucial to avoid reusing single-use PET bottles as they can harbor bacteria and leach chemicals with repeated use. Reusable water bottles made from materials like stainless steel or glass are a safer and more sustainable alternative to single-use plastic bottles. Section 5. The environmental impact. In this section, we will delve into the significant consequences that bottled water has on our environment. The convenience of bottled water comes at a significant environmental cost. While it may seem like a simple and easy choice, the repercussions are far-reaching and severe. The production of plastic bottles requires vast amounts of fossil fuels and water, contributing to pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. The extraction and processing of these fossil fuels release harmful substances into our atmosphere. Furthermore, a large percentage of plastic bottles end up in landfills, where they can take hundreds of years to decompose. This long decomposition period means that plastic waste accumulates, creating massive environmental hazards. Plastic waste also pollutes our oceans, harming marine life and ecosystems. Marine animals often mistake plastic for food, leading to ingestion and entanglement, which can be fatal. Choosing reusable water bottles and supporting initiatives to reduce plastic consumption are crucial steps in mitigating the environmental impact of bottled water. By making these small changes, we can collectively make a significant difference in preserving our planet for future generations. Section 6. Balancing safety and sustainability. So is bottled water safe? The answer is complex. While bottled water is convenient and often marketed as a pure and healthy option, there are several factors to consider. The safety of bottled water largely depends on the source of the water and the materials used in the packaging. While occasional consumption of water from reputable brands in BPA-free bottles is unlikely to pose significant health risks, it's important to be aware of the potential for chemical leaching. BPA-free does not necessarily mean free from all harmful chemicals. It's essential to be mindful of potential leaching, especially with heat exposure. When plastic bottles are exposed to high temperatures, chemicals can seep into the water, potentially causing health issues over time. Opting for reusable water bottles made from safe materials, such as stainless steel or glass, is a healthier and more sustainable choice. These materials do not leach chemicals and can be used repeatedly, reducing plastic waste. Supporting efforts to improve tap water quality and reduce plastic consumption is also crucial. Investing in home water filtration systems and advocating for better municipal water treatment can make tap water a viable and safe option for everyone. By making informed choices and prioritizing both our health and the environment, we can significantly reduce our reliance on single-use plastics. This not only benefits our personal health, but also helps in combating the global plastic pollution crisis. We can quench our thirst responsibly by choosing sustainable options and supporting initiatives that promote clean and safe drinking water for all.